Hi everyone, I am Aksa Zafar and welcome back to MLTube. Here I share practical tutorials on AI, machine learning and tools that make your tech journey easier. If you love learning step by step with real examples, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a new video. In this video, we are going to walk through a complete Claude plus GitHub Flow process while adding a new feature to our React Todo app. We will start with the project on our local system, push it to GitHub, set up the Claude GitHub app, create an issue, branch from it, build the feature, open a pull request and merge everything back into main. We already have the Todo app repository set up locally and on GitHub. We move into the Todo app folder and run Claude from the command line. From there, we use the / command to install the GitHub app, which begins the Claude app installation process for our repository. During installation, Claude asks which workflow templates we want to enable. We keep the default selection. Next, it asks whether we want to use a Claude subscription or an API key. Since we have an active subscription, we choose that option. And a browser window opens so we can complete the authorization step. Once authorization is finished, Claude automatically opens a pull request that adds the necessary configuration files to the repository. We merge that pull request into the main branch. At this point, Claude Code is fully configured and ready to use in our GitHub repository. Next, we will create a new GitHub issue describing the feature we want to add. For our To-Do app, the goal is simple. Add a checkbox, apply strike-through styling, and store a completed field in component state. This issue becomes our task for the rest of the workflow. On the issue page, we click Create a branch for this issue. GitHub generates a feature branch for us. With the branch ready, we add a comment on the issue and include the trigger phrase for Claude, asking it to implement the feature. If we open the Actions tab, we can see that the implementation workflow has started. The logs show each step as Claude processes the issue and begins generating the changes. Once the job completes, Claude Code posts a comment on the issue with a full description of the changes it generated. We can review the summary in the comment, then navigate to the feature branch and open a pull request. After the pull request is created, Claude Code automatically starts the review workflow. In this way, the entire flow is covered end to end, from creating an issue to generating the implementation to running an automated code review with Claude. Once the pull request is merged, the feature becomes part of the main branch. This completes the GitHub flow cycle and keeps the project moving forward with a clear, consistent process. With Claude Code integrated into the repository, we can move through GitHub Flow with far less manual work. Issues turn into branches, branches turn into fully implemented changes, and reviews are handled automatically. The workflow remains consistent, predictable, and tightly aligned with the pull request practices teams already use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MLTube for more AI and machine learning tutorials.